beautiful day for a run.
As I cross the border, hear an engine burr, run along next to me. The man pulls me aside. I swear my for tonight out in these fields. There's darkness overhead, and I'm still not in bed. 20K to go. So I jump on his ride. We both hold on to my back, try to push it up the hill. Sounds crazy, but not willing to pay, 'cause I'm willing to stay about anywhere tonight. It's me, it's Bagno and lady. Maurice makes a coffee as I take photos of his rundown motorhome out in the Slovenian field.
Even in the residential neighborhood, whenever you need a drink, you go there.
And as Nicholas waits, Maurice can only dream of them both in a place they can't call her own, 'cause the house ain't a home. This is Bagno and lady. Oh, but she dictates the play while he has to wait for tosses and turns. Tonight it's me with Bagno and lady. Maurice makes the coffee as I take photos of his rundown motorhome out in these Slovenian fields, out in these Slovenian fields. It's me, Bagno and lady. Maurice makes the coffee as I take photos of his rundown motorhome out in the Slovenian fields. It's Bagno and lady. Maurice makes the coffee as I take photos of his rundown motorhome out in these Slovene fields.
Really beautiful with the mountains. If the mountains weren't here, they don't want to be as beautiful.